Let's take a look at the chart action for Ethereum Classic. Okay, so here is what I'm looking at. I got a request for this on my Discord. I'm not invested in Ethereum Classic, but I got a request, so let's check it out. All right, so I was watching this before, and I had resistance, resistance, support, support, support. So I had these trend lines drawn something like this. Let's go ahead and do a downtrend like this, and then let's go ahead and do an uptrend, something like that. I was also kind of watching or keeping my eye on this resistance, and it seems like we broke out of this little area right here, going to the upside. The next spots that I would be looking at, in my opinion, might be these previous resistances up here. Came up, got rejected, came down, came up, got rejected, and started heading down. So I don't know, in my opinion, you might be looking at this spot up here sitting at around 60.71 or 73.80. Let's go ahead and do some horizontal red lines at those previous resistances, something like that. We don't have a lot of spots. It seems like just a big downtrend from here to here. And now that, I mean, we had these little spots like this, and like I was saying, we kind of broke out of this little area already. So in my opinion, I would say if I was looking at this chart or if I was invested in it, I would be targeting the next previous resistances sitting at 61.09 or 73.67. Let me know what you guys think though. If you guys liked the video, hit that thumbs up, and if you want to support the channel, check out my Patreon.